Good morning. The wind is blowing. Of course, we have a cold front that is approaching. But, oh my goodness, the clouds are moving across the sky so quickly. Birds are singing. These pine trees above me are dancing big time. Every now and then we get a big gust. I had to take my wind chimes down. Oh my gosh, they were going crazy in all the wind. I had someone ask me yesterday about this respect for the Sasquatch people that I talk about, and why am I so, let's see, what's the right word, passionate about that respect? Well, number one, my grandmother taught me that they are our neighbors. And as such, we should be respectful of them. I don't tell people not to use flares or to take photos or anything else. But what I do is I share about how I feel and what I do. And flares are a big thing for me. The time that they've been used on my land, it was not something I wanted done. And you might say, well, it's just a flare. You know, I'm just looking through this to try to see where they are. You know, I wouldn't look at my neighbor's house with a flare. To me, that's very disrespectful. You know, so for me, it goes back to these are my neighbors. They are my friends. I've seen the babies grow up. I've walked with them. And I don't want to do anything in disrespecting them. You know, Kashima said to me a long time ago, humans don't respect the air. They don't respect the water. They don't respect the earth. They have no respect for each other. And the worst of all of that is they have no respect for themselves. And I don't want to find myself in that space of disrespect for myself or of anything else. Now, I might not like something and I will voice my opinion, but I always try to do it in a respectful manner. And I never want to speak disrespectfully to someone else, regardless of what's happened. By disrespecting someone else, I have disrespected myself. You know, and for the Sasquatch people, respect is a big thing with them. You know, when you think about the things you do, when you go into the woods or wherever you go, that you think they might always be respectful. And don't do it just for them, but do it for everything that's around you. This is a beautiful day. It's a little on the cool side, not bad. The wind's blowing really hard, and it's going to get really cold again. I think we're supposed to be down around 25 for the lowest for the next couple of nights. So we get to feel winter again, which is pretty normal here in Oklahoma. I hope your day is a good one. I've got stuff to do today, and I love that. And I'll be walking in the woods very carefully. And enjoying being in the woods. So many blessings to you from Indigo Run.